Fist bump. Fist bump. We gave each other a fist bump. Gratitude. Gratitude. I feel deep gratitude for your help. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. He gave a thumbs up after tasting the cake. Handshake. Handshake. We greeted each other with a friendly handshake. Finger heart. Finger heart. She made a finger heart to show her love. High five. High five. They gave each other a high five after winning the game. Loser. Loser. He felt like a loser after failing the test. Clap. Clap. Everyone began to clap after the performance. Salute. Salute. The soldier gave a salute to his commander. Wave. Wave. She waved at me from across the street. Raise hand. Raise hand. Please raise your hand if you know the answer. Victory. Victory. They celebrated their victory after the match. Stop. Stop. Please stop talking. Okay sign. Okay sign. He gave me an okay sign to show everything was fine. Point. Point. She pointed at the map to show the location. Small amount. Small amount. I need a small amount of sugar for the tea. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck on your exam tomorrow. Rock on. Rock on. She showed the rock on sign with her hand at the concert. Snap. Snap. He made a snap with his fingers to get attention.